Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about static block. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed about static variables and static methods. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, this class is very easy to understand. We will understand what static block means and when it is going to be executed, when memory is allocated to that. All these things will be discussed now. In the middle, you are going to understand what's the use of static block. Now coming to this example, class A, here we are having a static variable, instance variable. So a block of code, open brackets, close brackets. In between this, whatever you have written, that is what we call it as a block of code. This block of code is a static block. We have written the static keyword. This is one block. Another block of code we have written static, open brackets, close brackets. Any number of static blocks you can write. So the point you have to understand in our previous classes, what we have discussed. So when memory is going to be allocated for static variables whenever this class is loading to the random access memory is allocated for static variables. Similarly, static blocks are executed whenever this class is loaded onto the memory, random access memory. Immediately static block is going to be executed. So the important point you need to understand, so before our main execution starts, static block is going to be executed. So if you want to do something before your main starts, then we have to go with static block. That is the use of a static block. So in our example, how this execution goes on, we are going to understand. We have written one static block and the second static block. We have written one static method, another static method, and we are having instance method. Now coming to this, before this main starts executing, static blocks are going to be executed. So what's our output is, this block is going to be executed. P is equal to 40. Yes, this is a static variable. We are going to initialize, means assigning value to the static variable. This is one of the use of static block. So why static block is used? This block of the code is going to assign values to the static variables. As of now, at this level, this is what we are going to understand. What's the use of static block means? To initialize the static variables. But in real life, many uses are there. Before you start your main, you need to do something. Then we go with static block. Definitely it has to be executed. Go with static block. Now system.out.println of this is static block. So our output is this is static block. Then it is going to call M1. See, in the static block we can call static methods. Yes, M1 is a static method. Now M1 method has been displayed. Now after completion of this block, second block is going to be executed. System.out.println, this is block 2. This is also displayed. Now our main execution starts. That is how static blocks are going to be executed. After loading your class, immediately static blocks are going to be executed. Now remaining code, whatever we have written in the main, this is the code which we discussed in our previous examples also. We are not going to do it again. A.m2 of we are calling a static method. It is accepted using class name. We are creating an object and we are modifying. We are creating another object and we are modifying different way. We are calling the methods and we are using the variables. Hope you understand what static block means. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.